Hello everyone. This is Barry from Elliott Wave. How's everyone doing? Welcome back to this new weekly live stream. Hope everyone is doing great. As always, please let me know if you can hear me. You should be able to hear me just fine, as I double checked. And let's notify everyone on the Discord we're live. So let's say everyone. Let's have everyone. We're live on the Discord. There we go. Perfect. Just perfect. As always, hope everyone is doing fine. Hope everyone has had a great week and good. So let's see. Interesting things this week have happened, so I'm pretty excited about it. About today and whatnot. So we'll see. We'll see about that also. Let's open some windows here. There we go. Yeah, we have some interesting. We have employment in Canada, so today, but overall nothing. We do have a Fed speech already, and we have one in about 3 hours, but it's not Powell, so don't think it's gonna be that important. So let's see what we. As always, guys, actually type in the chat. Ask me anything. You can always ask me anything to analyze. As well as join the Discord. Let me just pop in the link in the chat. There we go. Hello, Dennis. Gold, for sure. So I assume you can hear me just fine. But yeah, interesting things on the crypto market, interesting things on the stock market. So gold, just a second, because I'm about to get blinded. By the light, by the brightness on this monitor. So I just turn it down. There we go. So gold's been moving interestingly. So to be honest, I don't think. Again, I do say I think, but I don't like to say I think, because the market doesn't care at all about what I think. So at this point, zoom closer. So at this point, I see two possibilities. At least two big ones. One is this, so that we complete it. We completed wave 3 of minor degree. And that's a possibility. So we are in this wave 4. And just see. We can expect a bit more downside. Now okay. Also hide the. So that's a possibility. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. into wave 3 and down in 4. Now, if we zoom in, this move is quite impulsive. So this does look trying to establish, and it could be a wave A. So I guess either we're gonna form a diagonal, move higher, lower, and then resume higher to complete wave 4, which is a possibility. Something like this. Or else A, B, and C right there, and then continue higher. I mean, can we get a quick 4? I mean, wave 4 nearly complete and then upside. I don't know. It wouldn't look right, to be honest. Especially after such a sharp move. I wouldn't expect that. So that's yeah. Let me know if you have questions, Dennis. Happy to help. But that's an overview. The bear scenario is that this is just a 3-wave move, some sort of A, B, C. So some sort of connector, and then we resume lower. So that's a possibility. 1, 2, and then down. I mean, A, B, C downside. But I don't know. I think there's reason to stay bullish at the moment. On the daily, we broke through the 200 EMA, which is this purple line, and on the weekly, we're also above it. We only went below it for a couple of weeks here on the potential real bottom, which is labeled incorrectly. No, it's fine. Sorry. And here on the daily, I mean, we've been below it for a long time now. We broke through. So one thing that can happen, so that we kind of, bounce on the 200 EMA and then resume higher. That's possible, I guess. Yeah, as you said, it's also possible that if you're talking about the quick 4, I don't know. It is possible, but I don't know. I honestly would prefer more of a sideways 4, because after all, this wave 2 was quite sharp. So I would expect more of a sideways wave 4 because of the rule of alternation. Let me know what you think, or if you have any other questions. And if you just join us, guys, feel free to ask me anything to analyze. That's what I'm here for. Anything really. From cryptos to Forex, stocks, any stock, whatever you want. And if you're new, don't forget to join the free Discord. Link is also in the chat. Well, that's a point though. It is, as it's been volatile, and especially what happens, especially after after a sharp move, you start moving sideways. That's what usually happens. Let's see. Yeah, apart from 2020. But I'll need to get it from... you see here, for instance, sharp move. A bit of a sideways. You move lower, you're sideways. It would be... yeah, it's kind of the same degree at this one, which makes sense. So I wouldn't expect more a V recovery shape, But I guess we'll find out. But I think there's still reasons to stay bullish, though, to support for their upside, for sure. Yeah. It's looks good. How's oil doing? Okay. Yeah, I hope you, yeah. Okay, so gold, sorry. EU and the dollar's moving nicely as expected. We are looking for upside. Yeah, it looks at this point like we could have this in place. Also, we're arguing, I think it's still here. This. Nope. Let's see if it shows here. This possibility on the dot, which also should help us understand better perhaps the gold. So here on the dollar, two possibilities, at least two possibilities. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For wave 3, up in 4, now in wave 4, and then downside in wave 5. Or else we're done and we're assuming higher. So for upside in gold, it will make sense. This one would make more sense for their upside in the dollar, meaning for their downside in gold, and then one will resume to the upside. Like here, what we could get is perhaps, they don't need to move. They don't need to mirror each other, but could bounce back, move higher, and that could equal to this: up, down, up, down, up, down. That's possible. Larger retracement, and then downside. Larger retracement, and then upside. I think that makes sense, especially as if we zoom out on the dollar, we are seeing how this is big. So it's a larger degree. So we can indeed expect, this kind of move for sure. It wouldn't be a surprise because this is big. This has broken the previous structure. So either we do this, possible, but not my preferred, or else I can just do this. That's a possibility. Plus, I would expect more RSI divergence, to be honest, both on the weekly and daily, which we don't have on both. For upside, like here, I could easily see more downside to form some sort of RSI divergence, and then move higher, and then lower, which would mirror again gold. So I hope it makes sense. Let me know. Yeah, let me know if you have any thoughts. Or any questions. And yeah, guys, just join us. Let me know if there's anything. Hello, Eric. How you doing? Good to see you. Yeah. Let me know if there's anything I can help you with, guys. Anything you want me to take a look at. And don't forget to join the Discord if you swing by. Yep. So that was gold. That's a dollar. looking for downside here on the Dow, which I guess we'll find out what's gonna happen, but looking for this. As yeah, we did get that. So here on the Nasdaq, I want to be bullish. I want to give it a try. So 1, 2, and here I checked. The only way I can count this as 5 is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 up, down for 4. 4 is sharp. 2 is sideways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wave 1. A, B, C. I mean, not necessarily wave 2 is completed. We could still double correct and do this. But it's playing out so far. And I do expect a rotation out of growth, out of industrial, so out of, oh god, what's it called? God, I've blank. I mean, a rotation into growth. So I guess we'll find out. Can take a look at DAG. DAG. This one. I don't know. Doesn't look great, for sure. One, two, three, four, 5. A, B, C. Could be something like this. Maybe. Still needs a pump. I don't know. It just... Also, I mean, I wouldn't count this as 5. I see 3, 3. I mean, I see this. A, B, C. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hello, Blaze. Can't I let Geo for sure? But yeah, let me know what you think here. But it looks like 3 up, 3 down. So I wouldn't expect much from it. GLMR. Any preferred brokers? I'd go with QCoin. Or do we have the most? That's all the same. So now up or down? Huh. It's a good question. Huh. I mean, if I knew the answer, I wouldn't be here, wouldn't I? I mean, I would expect a wave B. If you do get sideways, then you might look for longs. But it would still be dangerous because you'll be looking for longs, looking for a breakout of the 200 EMA. So you're still taking a gamble. But yeah, I mean, again, my recommendation of these things would be to just stick to better looking charts, to be honest. Otherwise, it's just dangerous. Yeah, I mean, as Eric says, oh yeah, downside, Eric. Yeah, I mean, again, I see 3 up, ABC. This could be ABC. So you get this. Could continue forever until something happens. But yeah, downside. 3, 4, 5. So it looks like 3, 4, 5. Something like 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I guess it's a bit tricky. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, maybe if you squeeze it there. And so this could be A. Which, I mean, it will make sense based on where we are in terms of the crypto market as a whole. But again, I would stick to something else if possible. Yeah. I mean, if you have any question, guys, or anything else I can help you with, happy to do so. Yeah. I agree. Yeah, you have sharp moves to the upside, counter trend moves, and then you just resume lower. But yeah, I mean, no doubt the trend is down. Well, actually, though, Just a second. I guess we could be. I think we're still in this wave 4. What's the mystery with theta on Binance? Well, theta USD. On Binance. Nope. Yep. Yeah, isn't it the same one? Yeah. Just ABC. What kind is ABC? Same thing. Huh. Well, yeah, I mean, it's same one. We're just gonna count this as ABC. God. 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so for the sake of it, we're gonna call it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Huh. Well, again, so as I said even earlier, so the nice thing about the market is that the market doesn't care about what you think. So you may think, oh, it's taking too long, but the market doesn't really care. Just do whatever it has to do. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I want to be realistic. So I think it's either this, which I doubt, because of how wave 4 is, how small is wave 4 compared to wave 2. Or else, I mean, this could be A, B, C. Doesn't it look more like this rather than it's a bit small. This is like a nice 3-wave move. Oh, look at it. 1.618. Let's actually see the chart. Are we close? Oh yeah, look at it. 1.618, almost by the dollar. I mean by the cent. Yeah, it was about $1. Half a dollar. So yeah, I have a reason to believe this is ABC, which is why this bear market is taking so long, because there's no really uptrend. Yeah, I mean it would make sense. A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C. Who knows? That's what could happen. What do you think? I say it could be. Because again, on many of these cryptos, I think there's really no reason to be bullish at all. I mean, after all, do they want to treat them as currency? Well, they most likely will move like them. Don't you think? So when is Bitcoin going to 40,000? That's a good question. If I had the answer, again, I wouldn't be here. Hope you agree with me. When is it going on for? I think it might go to 40,000 on February 30th. I think that might happen. What do you say? I don't know. So it looks like either we are in this wave 4, we might be in this wave 4, which would be a flat though, or else, which is also possible, which it's starting to be my preferred view, we already had wave 4 up in 5, and now we're retracing, which is what I think it's happening. I also shared it on the Discord with ETH. Here on ETH, I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 downside for wave 2. Could we have a short 2? It's possible. So yeah, let me know if you have any specific question, Blaze. But I mean, it looks like this might be better. Jefferson, what do you mean by? I mean, do you mean like do we want to take a look at GU? I mean, you want to take a look at, or refer to what I was saying about cryptos? When I said if they want to treat them like currency, then you we need to understand they might move like them. Is that what you were referring to, or you just want to take a look at GU? For Bitcoin, doesn't occur in wave 4 is to go near the wave 4 degree. Good point. Which will make sense. I mean, it doesn't have to. It's a tendency, so it doesn't have to. So it would make sense for this to be wave 4, and still, it's not that far off. I mean, it's not even an equality, so equality will be here, so it's still possible. Don't get me wrong. However, if this was a flat, it wouldn't look nice. I mean, if it finds supports here, then I'm fine with it. But down here, it's too much of a wave C. Plus, so far it looks like 3, doesn't it? Looks like 3 to me. Might even be equality. Yeah, equality was here. Let me delete this. Equality was here. So, yeah. We might find support. We might find a bounce. Okay, yeah, we're going to take a look at GU. But yeah, let me know, guys, on Bitcoin. If you have questions, or what do you think about it? GU. Moving at a spec. Further downside. Yeah, I mean, look at it. Look at this. Bouncing on the 20 and 200. They're starting to cross. Yeah, downside. Here on the 200. So I was looking at this as a potential. And then this could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for wave C. But yeah, I do expect downside. We could still double correct. But overall, I expect this low to be broken. Let me know if you have questions about it. just let me know. Yeah. What trend am I be in? What do you mean? Well, what do you mean by that? I mean, it looks like from 2022, it might be doing this. So that's what I'm expecting. If we zoom out, then obviously it's Forex, so it's a bunch of ABCs. A, B, C, A, B, C, B, C. Down. So it's a bunch of, it's basically complex, it's a bunch of ABCs. Two, three, four. Yeah. So now we could expect that. This, guess we'll find out. But for, it's hard to forecast such large moves. But short term, I do expect that. I do expect it to move a bit lower. Well, let me know if you have questions. For sure. Here, KDI, USDT, CoinEx. This one. I think it's the same story. And it's always been the same old story. C, D, E. Might even be a triangle. A, B, C, D. Look. Minor. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there you go. And then you might wonder what's going on here. Good question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B. I don't know. Oh, I wouldn't. I mean, even if you would, then still, I don't see this as impulsive. Okay, yeah, but yeah. Oh, you're welcome, Jefferson. Anything else? Let me know. Any other question? Anything else you want me to take a look at? Just let me know. Three, 4, 5 for A. I don't know. A, B, C, or I don't know. Let's look at volume. Here. So I mean, we bounced off of volume. We do it every time. So, I don't know. Hi, Patrick. Well, we actually went over gold, but I can go over it again briefly, no worries. Basically, I'm still expecting this wave 4. I see this wave 4 as what could come next. And so I was saying either we do this up down already, or else we could just fold into a leading diagonal with A, up for B, down for C, and then upside. And we're talking about how that would reflect on the dollar. And on the dollar, what we could see is the opposite. So I did have two different counts on the dollar. One was this, that we bottom, and now we're making a larger retracement. Possible. Or else, what could help with the gold count, that we do this. So down, up, down, up, down, up. So the opposite. It's just possible. Guess we'll find out. But basically, that's the view on gold. Still bullish. No reason not to be. However, we do keep in mind that so far it's a three-wave move. So far it's down, up, down. So 3 waves, a trend don't make. So we do need 4 and 5 to kind of have some evidence. Stronger evidence. The uptrend resumed. So yeah. Let me know if you have questions. If you just joined us, guys, welcome. Let me know anything you want me to take a look at, to analyze. Just ask any questions. And don't forget to join the Discord. The link is, if you scroll up the chat, you should scroll much more. So oil. So it's still moving sideways. If we zoom out a bit, I can show you how, we could be in this wave C, some sort of ending diagonal, maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I guess that's possible. I've said it for a long time. I do expect a move lower here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. At least one move lower to kind of get to this area, and then a pullback higher. Now, if this kind is correct, and we have WXY, then I hope not, but something bad might happen. Geopolitically, but that's out of my forecasting abilities, I guess. So I'll just stick to my waves, and it's a possibility. Or else we just do this, retrace, resume lower. That's possible. Guess we'll find out. Yeah, let me know if you have any specific question, or any of you, anything you want to take a look at, or any question. Yeah. Just let me know. Oh, Euro pound, Aussie yen, Euro pound. Huh. Let's see. It's a hard one. A 1 2 3 1 2 3. So ABC, ABC. So we got ABC. We got ABC. I guess we might now get ABC. Yeah, this is a hard one. Not gonna lie. Whereas, okay, it's still moving as expected. Definitely as expected. It's pulling back. And then yes, we can expect further upside. To then maybe move lower, but yeah, it's moving as expected. Nothing to add. I mean, you saw it. I mean, it's been like this ever since I last checked on it, which was at least 10 days ago. Yeah. Let me know. Yeah, just feel free to let me know if you have any specific question that I can help. But again, I mean, that kind of speaks for itself. You have ABC, one of you were 5-wave C, and then 3 waves down. We might get 3 waves up. We much less likely will not break this. I wouldn't expect this to be broken. Or, I mean, this can be broken. I don't want this to be broken. So, something like this. So here we're just seeing the 3 waves. But so far it's moving as expected. JPJ basket. What's the JPJ basket? JPY, sorry. Can't even read. Guess it's late. ABC. ABC. Yeah, I can see this happening. Yeah, it's also bouncing up and down the 20 MA, so possible. More than possible. Yeah. Let me know if there's any questions or anything you want me to take a look at. In the meantime, this is moving. Okay. I see. USD CAD. Okay, so this is starting to get interesting. Let's see if we can move sideways. We might be forming a triangle. So let's see. It looks like we want to move sideways. So if we do this, then we might look for upside. Yeah, I guess it's possible. What do you say? Alright. If you really were to trade it, I would look for longs. I mean, assuming this low would hold, so I'll try to look for long, saying, well, this low might hold. I mean, which would confirm my count if it held, but that's trading. You don't know. You might. I mean, you're trying to, in a way, guess using the tools available to you. So this looks like 3 A, B, C. So you might look for this. I don't know. It could work. Might not. We can only find out. We'll find out maybe next Friday. Or 2 Fridays from today. Guess we'll see. Google chart. Okay. I think Google should be here. Ooh, yeah, downside. 3 is 3. So yeah, as you can see, I was expecting quite a low here on Google. Sorry, quite a major top. Yeah. So I'm looking for this as 1, 2, 3. So I am expecting wave 4. So we might have much more downside. Now this is what it looks like. A. So not sure ABC like that. This might be incorrect. We may move higher in wave B. So this could have been A, B, C. A deeper B, but I don't know. I don't know how wave B is going to look like. I mean, I cannot predict that. But yeah. Looks like 5 down. 1, 2. Oh, just a second. So yeah. Nothing bullish, to be honest. I mean, the only bullish scenario is the one where we are in wave A of B. So this one. I mean, we are in, technically right now we'll be in wave B of B. Let me know if you have questions. Or any of you guys, let me know. Anything you want to take a look at or any question. And as always, don't forget to join the Discord. So you don't miss out on any updates I post. Obviously, it's completely out of charge. Yeah. But yeah, Google doesn't look bullish at all. That's for sure. How's Apple doing? Yeah, Apple looks much more bullish. Looks like 3 of move, A, B, C. And it might be over, so yeah. Apple looks much better. Silver. So we'll do XRP and then silver, and then we might wrap this up. XRP. Preferences. Case will end before it's out. Sure, fan baby bomb. Any contact on first. I guess we'll find out. I know you like KuCoin. I mean, I guess the count that would confirm. Again, I don't see any impulsive structure at all in any form or wave or bit stamp. But I think it wouldn't change much. So again, I don't see any Yes, still, I don't see any impulsive structure. I see this as 3. I see 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. So either we continue lower, or else we just do this. Pump, and then we continue lower. Again, 3 would move. But I don't really see impulsive structures. Could the 2018 high be the start? Yes. Yes, it's possible. Yes. I agree. But yeah, as I said, don't really see much value. How's silver doing? So, oh, look at this. I still got it. A, B, C. Yeah, it looks like A, B, C. So we might get a bounce soon, to be honest, which would confirm. It would confirm upside on gold. I mean, it wouldn't confirm it. It would make sense here. But yeah, let me know if you have any other questions, Eric. So see upside here, 4-hour chart, silver 4-hour chart. I do see upside. Maybe one less move lower, and then upside. That could make sense. Yeah, to kind of fill this gap here. Yes, makes sense. Let me know if you have questions. Any of you guys. Don't forget to join the Discord. Let me just send the link again. It's completely free. You can just enjoy the benefits from it, which are being able to be in the Discord where I'm just kidding. But yeah, I do post daily. Many different things, mostly stock market and the crypto market. No, I do not. I mean, even here, look at this. A, B, C. I see 3. I don't. And then here I see A, B, C, A, B, C. Yeah, some sort of. I mean, again, 3. And then 3. I mean, to be honest, and that's quite pessimistic, one might say, but I think it's realistic. Look at this. I mean, the thing is, we need to be objective. Look at Facebook, and I've said it many times before. Now, to be honest with you, yes, I have this 1, 2, 3, or 5, which makes sense a bit more if you use exponential scale, 1, 2, 3, or 5. But I mean, let's get real. Just like this, it looks to me like A, B, C. Prove me wrong. That's what it looks to me. I might be wrong, obviously, but yeah, I just try to see all the possible scenarios without marrying one count. That's what we say. Yeah, I know. I think they use. Do they? I mean, wait. Yeah, they might do. I know. Sorry. Until the. Yeah, I mean. I mean, even I don't know. I can't. You might skip like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but still it does look good. 2v4 does look nice, but I mean that's the only way I can see 5 ways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the only way, to be honest. But yeah, I think it was quite a, as I said in the beginning, was quite an eventful Friday. As always, yeah, I think I might call it a day. And thank you all guys for joining. Hope you guys appreciate it as much as I did. And as always, don't miss next Friday or Thursday. We'll see, but it might be Friday as well. Session. And yes, it will be Friday. And hope you guys will have a great weekend. Sorry, and a great week as well. Yeah, you're very welcome. No worries. And yeah, any questions, guys? As I said, join the Discord. You can find me there. You can ask me questions. And yeah, just join the Discord. Feel free to type on Elliott Wave channel. Send me a text. I'll answer. And we'll chat there over the week for sure. Just yeah, you just gotta send a text. All right, guys. Thank you all. It's been great. And I'll see you next